You don't need burrito seasoning packages from the supermarket anymore. This is homemade burrito seasoning, made in 2 minutes with spices you probably already have in your pantry. Warm, savory, just a little spicy, and no mystery ingredients on the label. 7 spices, that's the whole list. Onion powder gives you that savory depth without having to chop anything. Win-win. Oregano, 1 teaspoon, and it suddenly tastes like a real Tex-Mex kitchen in here. Salt, because without it, nothing tastes like much. Ground cumin, that's your base. That warm, earthy note that makes beef taste like burrito beef. Paprika, slightly sweet, a little smoky, it rounds everything out. Black pepper, just a little, for some spice. And cayenne, a 1/4 teaspoon. That gives mild heat, enough to notice but not enough to call the fire department. Everything goes into a bowl and give it a good stir. And that's it, seriously. 2 minutes from start to finish. Now the fun part. Sprinkle the seasoning right over the top. Stir it in and let it cook for about 30 seconds. This is a step most people skip and it matters. The heat blooms the spices. Add a small splash of water. Stir it through and let everything simmer for a minute or 2. And that's your burrito beef. Ready for burritos, tacos, nachos, rice balls, whatever burrito night looks like at your house. And one more thing, make a double or triple batch right now and store it in a jar in your pantry. It keeps for about 3 months. So the next time burrito night happens, and it will, you're already 2 minutes ahead. The full recipe with all the exact measurements is linked in the description below. If you find this useful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And subscribe if you want more recipes like this. See you next time.